Occasionally, my pool vacuum goes out, whether it's for a week or a couple of days until I get it going again. I need a backup. So my backup now is this hose, and I have one of those little pool vac heads with the little wheels on it, the old school stuff. You plug this hose into the vac head, and then the other end of this hose into this skimmer, so long as it fits. So now that I have a hose, let's open it up. I want to see how it feels. First impressions on its construction, its quality. Also, I want to make sure that it actually fits. That's kind of a big deal. And see what other things we figure out as we unbox it. So, all right, so feeling it. It certainly feels just as good as any hose I've ever had. I've actually felt some hoses that feel thin. This does not feel thin. So I would say this is more of the heavy duty. That spiral construction is also going to lend to its strength. I can already tell though that the end piece looks thicker than I'm used to seeing. So let's see. Yeah, this here, there's a little bit of bend there, which is good, but that looks really thick, and that was probably the most important part, other than the fact to see if it actually fits. So this feels thick. This feels sturdy enough, heavy duty. It's obviously flexible. 27 feet long. It's supposed to be 1 1/4 inch at the ends. And it is exactly 1 1/4 inch. So that's good. So now, this is the right size. Let's see if I really do have a 1 1/4 inch pipe in here. I hope so. All right, so you plug it in. Go snugly right in. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so again, this is my backup plan. I just need it to work. I need it to be heavy duty and flexible and sturdy. I'll probably use this a half a dozen times a year on a bad year. Maybe sometimes I'll use it once or twice, but it's just nice to know that I have it, and I won't have to go a week or two without cleaning my pool if something goes wrong. So first thoughts, maybe I'll pull out the vac here and make another video too, and actually see it at work. But first thoughts, quality feels good. It is long enough, 27 feet is good length. That's probably the biggest thing. If you need longer, just make sure you get the right size. And then probably the most important thing is these ending pieces feel like quality. So I don't know what else you can say about it. It's gonna hold water and suck up stuff. So yeah, this is exactly what I needed. So if you're looking for a pool hose, consider this one. It was considerably cheaper than some of the other options. This was sent to me for an honest review. That's my honest review. I now have a backup, and I've needed a backup because I did go about a week and a half this summer with no backup, and that is no bueno. So anyway, hope that helps. It's a good hose.